This broker right here is giving away $20 no deposit bonus. Any trade, any strategy. I'm just gonna show you how to receive this $20 no deposit bonus. What are the terms and conditions and everything that you need to know before we sign up. So the broker is not new. fxgt.com is the name of the broker. As you can see, it's a good broker for that matter, but I just want to give you the information that you need to know before we sign up on the broker. Let's go to the terms and conditions of this not deposit bonus. You can see this is the first slide here. I'm just gonna click read more, and it will take you as to the promotion dashboard, so you can read more about the $20 not deposit bonus. As you can see, get a special bonus when you verify your KYC. So you have to verify your account first before you receive this $20 not deposit bonus. Verifying an account is just easy. You have to provide your proof of address and proof of identity, which is absolutely very easy. As you can see, what is a not deposit bonus? I have this type of information in my description. You can claim a bonus of $20 simply by completing your account verification. All you have to do is verifying your account, and you can get this $20 not deposit bonus. So all you need to do to qualify for the bonus is verify your account within 30 days of registering, or open a mini or standard plus account without making any transfer into any of your existing or new accounts, and you can claim it through the client portals as credit for your trading account. So what they are saying here, they are saying that you have to register, and within 30 days you should verify your account within 30 days. So you can verify your account within a day, within minutes or hours, and then after you verify, you have to create a standard account or a mini account. And after you create that one, you don't have to transfer any amount, so you have just to go on a client portal and you claim that bonus. So let's read further on the terms and conditions provided by the broker. So as you can see here, how can I claim the no deposit bonus? You can receive this once off bonus by checking off the following requirement. You register as an fxgt.com client, and then you complete your verification. So once you complete these two, then you are eligible to receive the $20 no deposit bonus. This bonus is only available for you to claim it in the client portal if you haven't funded any of your trading accounts yet. So basically what they're saying here is for new clients who never fund their account. So if you never fund your account with this broker, so you can create an account there and you get this $20 no deposit bonus for you to trade freely and risk free. Your bonus will be created as your bonus will be reflected as credit in your live MetaTrader account. It's gonna show as credit, and if you've been claiming for these bonuses, you know how it shows. It always shows as credit. So to withdraw the profits from the account using the no deposit bonus, you should have trading volume of 2 GT lots. I think this is 2 standard lots or more. GT is just their name of the broker, and then GT lots is like this is how they calculate their lots. So actually just 2 standard lots, and then you can absolutely cash out. Let's read more on the terms and condition. If you want more information, you can also click right here on the frequently asked question. Can I still withdraw my own funds after I claim a no deposit bonus? Can I withdraw a no deposit bonus? Let's read some of this information. Can I withdraw a no deposit bonus? I just want to see if I can get anything for you guys. No, you cannot withdraw the no deposit bonus. Nonetheless, you can withdraw profits derived from the no deposit bonus as soon as you reach the trading volume of 2 GT lots. So it's basically just 2 GT lots. Or do I lose the no deposit bonus when I transfer out? This is another question that was asked here. Just like all bonuses, once you transfer out, the entire bonus will be lost. So if you made any withdrawal, then the rest of the bonus will be lost if you made any withdrawal. So let's go and read the terms and conditions before we sign up. You can click on the claim here if you want to sign up, but before I click there, I just want to read on the terms and conditions here. So you can click right here on the terms and conditions, apply, and it will take you to a PDF that you can read. I think I've downloaded this PDF already, so I'm just gonna see if I have the PDF open in my phone. Promotion and terms and conditions. This is the PDF right here. So basically what you're gonna do here, we're just going to read few information. We're not gonna read everything because the terms and conditions are on 7 pages. As you can see, these are 7 pages. Let me just go through few of them so I can see which one I can choose for you. I'm not sure if I can read for you guys because it's a lot of information here. I'm just looking for the country's availability, but it seems like I'm not seeing any of them here. So I can give this document to our Telegram channel. Just go on our Telegram channel. I'll drop this document. If you don't know our Telegram channel, just look down in the video description. The link will be down there, and join our Telegram so you can get this document and read the terms and conditions before we sign up. Anyways guys, so I'm not gonna, the video is already long, I'm not going to sign up with you. It's easy when you're gonna read the information yourself, and you can just sign up straight away. The broker is not new, and I know if you can get this not deposit bonus, then you can start trading right away. Thank you guys for watching one of my video. If you like this type of videos, help us subscribe and also give this video a thumb up in appreciation.